Immigrant new destination areas are regions or parts of the country where immigrants have not recently settled. And so South Carolina is one such place. It has not been home to new immigrants for many generations. And this really stands out because historically in the U.S., immigrants upon arrival have typically settled in ethnic enclaves in central cities such as L.A., Chicago, and New York. And this has led to the naming of neighborhoods such as Little Italy or Chinatown to reflect those ethnic concentrations. Those places typically have many resources that are available for newly arrived immigrants that are delivered in a language and a cultural style that's familiar to these immigrants. In new destination areas, that's not necessarily the case. South Carolina has actually, for a number of years now, had one of the fastest growing immigrant populations in the country of any other state. And so it is felt more acutely than many of these new destination areas, the challenges of integrating new immigrants. And so we are looking at, across the state, a sample of about 400 immigrant serving organizations to determine how they are adapting to meet the needs of immigrants and some of the challenges that these organizations encounter in building the capacity to do so. And we have completed the survey of these organizations, and so we're in the process of analyzing these data. And so we will, after finishing our initial analysis, be able to talk a little bit about the typical profile of organizations in South Carolina that serve immigrants. And we'll also be able to begin to talk about the spatial mismatch between where immigrants in the state of South Carolina have settled and where immigrant serving providers tend to locate.